Hey guys, my name's Christina. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. Installing a hitch on your Toyota Rav4 can take you to some really fun places, like bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. So let's go ahead and break down this easy installation for you guys. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So starting on the driver's side, we're going to be using 2 attachment points which are going to be on the side of the frame rail. It is covered by pieces of tape, so we're going to be using a flathead to go ahead and remove those pieces of tapes. We're going to go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. Now we're ready to get the hitch into position. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack, but if you don't have one at home, it is a good idea to get an extra set of hands as the hitch can be really heavy. So let's go ahead and get it in there. To help get the hitch over the exhaust, you're going to want to angle it upwards and it'll be able to slide in a lot easier. We're going to be taking our provided bolt with our Chronicle tooth washer, making sure that the teeth side are up facing the hitch. We're going to go ahead and start on the driver's side and get both of the bolts in. We're going to go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. Now that our bolts are into place, we can go ahead and torque them all down. We're going to be using our torque wrench with a 19mm socket. We're going to torque to manufactured specification. We're going to go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. Now that we have the vehicle on the ground, let's get you guys some important measurements. We're going to have a 2-inch receiver from the top of the inside receiver to the floor. It's going to be 12 inches and a quarter. From the center pinhole to the end of the bumper, we're looking at 4.5 inches. That's going to help you guys determine length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. All right, guys, that completes our installation on the Rav4. Now you're ready to go hit the great outdoors. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.